In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a successful email in Mailchimp. To get started, open Mailchimp and log into your account. Use your normal sign-in method, and once you are inside, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct workspace or account area if you manage more than one. This matters because the audience, sender information, and email settings you use will come from the account you are currently working in. After the dashboard loads, you should be ready to begin creating your email campaign. Next, look for the Create button. In Mailchimp, this is usually shown with a pencil icon, making it easy to recognize. Click the Create button, and from the options that appear, select Email. This is where Mailchimp begins guiding you through the process of building a message that can be sent to your subscribers. At this stage, you are not designing the email yet. You are simply telling Mailchimp what type of campaign you want to create. Now choose Regular Email. A regular email is the standard option for sending a one-time email campaign to your audience. This is the choice you want when you are creating a newsletter, announcement, promotion, update, or any message that should go out to selected subscribers. Once you select this option, Mailchimp will take you into the email setup screen where you can begin filling in the key details. The first important section is the To field. This is where you define who will receive your email. Choose the audience you want to send to, and if needed, select a segment within that audience. Segments are useful when you only want the email to go to a specific group of subscribers rather than everyone on your list. Take your time here, because sending to the right audience is one of the most important parts of creating a successful email. After choosing the recipients, move to the From section. This is where you set the sender name and sender email. The sender name should be easy for your subscribers to recognize, such as your business name, brand name, or a professional sender identity. The sender email should also look trustworthy and be connected to your brand or organization. This helps recipients understand who the message is from before they even open it. Next, enter your subject line and preview text. The subject line is one of the first things people see in their inbox, so it should be clear, compelling, and relevant to the email content. Keep it focused on the main reason someone should open the message. Then add preview text, which appears next to or underneath the subject line in many inboxes. Use this space to support the subject line and give subscribers a little more context about what they will find inside. Once your basic email details are set, click Design Email. This will take you to the design area where you can select a template or use the layout builder. Templates are helpful if you want a polished structure to start from, while the layout builder gives you more flexibility to arrange the content in a way that fits your message. Choose an option that matches the purpose of your email and keeps the layout clean and easy to read. After the email design is ready, click Preview. This step is very important because it lets you see how the email will appear before you send it. Check both the desktop and mobile views, since many people read emails on their phones. Look for spacing issues, text that is hard to read, images that may not appear correctly, and anything that feels out of place. Also test your links to make sure they go to the correct pages. When everything looks correct, you are ready for the final step. Click Send if you want the email to go out right away. If you prefer to send it at a later date or time, choose Schedule instead. Scheduling can be useful when you want your email to reach subscribers at a specific time. Review the final confirmation carefully, and once you are confident everything is correct, complete the send or scheduling process. That covers everything you need to know to create a successful email in Mailchimp.